Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are very excited to talk to you about the brand new OnePlus foldable phone that many people have been eagerly waiting for. This new device is called the OnePlus Open 2, and it is expected to bring many wonderful features that make it a truly special phone. In this video, we will share all the details we have heard so far about its design, features, performance, and release date. We hope you enjoy every part of this explanation. Let us begin with the design of this remarkable phone. The OnePlus Open 2 is said to have a design that is both larger and thinner than the previous foldable phone. The images we have seen so far show that it has a very smooth and elegant frame and a circular camera module that houses 3 different camera lenses. This design is made to be not only attractive but also very practical for users who enjoy a modern look combined with advanced technology. Next, we will talk about the display of the OnePlus Open 2. This phone is expected to feature a main screen that measures around 8 inches when it is fully opened. This main display will have a very high refresh rate of 120 Hz and will show images in very high quality with a 2K resolution. Additionally, there is a smaller cover screen on the outside of the phone that is about 6.4 inches in size and uses AMOLED technology. These 2 screens together are designed to give you a wonderful visual experience. Whether you are watching videos, browsing the web, or using your favorite apps. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite system on a chip, which is one of the fastest and most reliable processors available. Along with this powerful processor, the phone is likely to come with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a storage option that could be as large as 1 terabyte. This means that the phone can handle many tasks at the same time without any slowdown, and you will have plenty of space to store all your photos, videos, and important files. For those of you who love taking pictures, the camera system of the OnePlus Open 2 is something to be very excited about. The phone is rumored to have a triple camera system on the back. This means that there will be 3 different cameras working together, one main sensor with 50 megapixels, an ultra-wide lens that is also 50 megapixels, and a telephoto lens with 50 megapixels that can zoom in optically up to 3 times. In addition, for taking selfies, there will be 2 cameras on the front with resolutions of 32 megapixels and 20 megapixels respectively. This setup is made to ensure that every picture you take, whether it is a landscape or a close-up selfie, looks very clear and detailed. Battery life is another important aspect of any phone, and the OnePlus Open 2 is expected to improve significantly in this area compared to its predecessor. The phone is rumored to have a battery with a capacity of around 5,900 mAh. This is a large battery that should be able to last for a long time even if you use the phone a lot throughout the day. Moreover, the charging technology is also very impressive. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to support fast-wired charging at a rate of 80 watts. As well as wireless charging at 50 watts. This means that even if you are in a hurry, you will not have to wait long to get your phone charged up and ready to use again. Durability is also a key feature of this new phone. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to have a water resistance rating of IPX8. In simple words, this rating means that the phone can withstand being exposed to water in situations such as accidental splashes or even brief immersion in water. This feature helps to protect the phone from damage and ensures that it remains reliable even in less than perfect conditions. Now, let us talk about the release date, which is something that many of you have been eagerly waiting to know. According to the latest information available, the OnePlus Open 2 is expected to launch in China in February 2025. After its initial release in China, the phone is anticipated to be available for customers all around the world in late the first quarter of 2025. This means that if you are planning to get your hands on this exciting new device, you will not have to wait much longer. In summary, the OnePlus Open 2 promises to be an amazing foldable phone with a beautiful design, outstanding performance, a very impressive camera system, long battery life, and excellent durability. We hope this video has given you a clear and detailed understanding of what to expect from this upcoming device. If you are excited about the OnePlus Open 2, please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Also, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all the latest news and reviews. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.